JavaScript browser objects explore the essential JavaScript objects that power browser interactions. These foundational elements enable developers to create dynamic interactive web experiences. Window object global object represents an open browser window. All global JavaScript variables and functions belong to it. Key methods includes alert, open, close, set timeout, and document. Properties access window dimensions with inner width and inner height. Window object example display an alert box window. Open a new window, let new win equals example window. Width equals 400, height equals 300. Get window dimensions, access the document object console. Log. Navigator object browser information provides details about the browser environment. Accessed via window navigator or simply navigator. Key properties. User agent browsers, user agent string. Language, preferred language. Cookie enabled, cookie status. Online network connection status special features includes access to geolocation API and other browser capabilities. Document object web page representation represents the HTML content loaded in the browser window. Element selection find elements with get element by ID, get elements by class name, and get elements by tag name. DOM manipulation create, modify, and remove elements with create element, append child, and remove child. Content writing output content directly to the document with write method. Form object HTML form representation. The form object provides access to HTML form elements and their values. Forms are accessed through the document of forms collection. This allows developers to validate user input, submit data programmatically, and create interactive forms. JavaScript let form equals document forms console. John date object 1 2 getting values 3 setting values modify date parts with set full year set month etc. 4 formatting creation initialize with new date to get current date and time. Extract components with get full year, get month, get date, get hours. Convert to strings with twice or string to local date string. String object creation create as literals or using string constructor. Properties access string length with the length property. Searching find content with index of and charat methods. Manipulation transform with substring replace split uppercase. String object example JavaScript objects summary window global browser object document HTML page representation navigator browser information form user input handling date and string data manipulation. These foundational objects are essential for browser interactions, DOM manipulation, user input handling, and data processing in JavaScript applications.